A year from now, hopefully we're gonna have the second production line. So a second line would include the second CNC, a second spraying robot, with a paint booth behind it, but at that point it's gonna be the third paint booth, the second oven, and a fourth spray booth. So yeah, a year from now, if we manage to have 2 full production lines in the shop, it means that we did okay. You see, these ones, you can tell the difference in thread by the size of the head. So, small-headed ones, they're metric. The big-headed ones, they're imperial. So, this should work. Perfect. So, it's these ones here. This and this. You can use the slightly longer ones.
So I think these are a little deeper.
Yeah. So it would be the first and the second little box. Let's see. And then you don't have to sort through those anymore. Yeah, works. We're trying to see exactly which ones to use. So then you don't need to sort through that. It's only this and this, right?
Clean up the mess I made.
Yeah. So we're gonna go at, we said, no, we wanted to see where to put the big one. So center of the, put it 36, something like this. Adam? What do you think? Here. So this would make it to where the center of the big handle is in line with the center of the smaller ones.
I like it.
Yeah? Simri? So you're going to see right away how to get out. It's going to be our exit sign. So 36 from the top to the center of the jig. And then you should be good on all of them. And those are the same size. This is the only one that's going to be different.
36 to the center?
36 to the center, yeah. You just mark on the back edge of the door, and then you put the little cutout.
The center mark?
Exactly. And we're going to see it all adjusted and pretty by lunch. So today we're in the shop. We're going to finish up the handles and all the adjustment on the lockers. Finish setting up whatever, all the little items that we have laying around on all the tables. Clean up, because tomorrow we're starting cutting. We have the closets and offices for John. We're going to be cutting like 52 sheets in total. And hopefully, fingers crossed, we're going to do everything on the new edge bender. But there's a big if, that I need a technician to help me with some little details. Hopefully it's going to happen today. We're hopeful. The new edge bender, it's by far the best edge bender that I have used so far. Again, it's still all in theory, the best edge bender, because I've just started it yesterday, right? I ran only, 300 linear feet of panels through it. And it's absolutely amazing how it works. And how will it improve our output? It's going to be much faster, much easier for the person operating the edge bender. And the really small imperfections that we had to pay attention to with the previous edge bender, they just vanished right now. So overall, it's going to be much easier to use, and the result is going to be flawless every time.